Hi, I'm Maureen with Pike Nurseries. Spring brings an explosion of blooms, but there are also plenty of flowers out there that will thrive in summer. Here are 2 container designs to help you create your own summer garden. This is a summer container garden that will thrive in full to part sun. The thriller or centerpiece of our design is this lovely orange Canna Lily. And then for my fillers, we've got this great hardy Lantana, this hot pink Vinca, orange Crossandra, and this lovely yellow Celosia over here. And then for my spillers on the very front, I have this lighter pink trailing Vinca with the dark red center. And this great lime green sweet potato vine will trail all the way down the front of your pot. If you don't get a lot of sun, here is a container recipe for shade. Our thriller or centerpiece here is this cute Hosta. And for our fillers, we've got this silver dusty Miller, these white variegated Caladiums, upright Torenia, and I even have this white New Guinea Impatiens. And then in the front, I've got these gorgeous pink top hat begonias. And for our spillers, we have this silver Helichrysum and this great structural white variegated creeping fig. Now let's talk about some care tips for your summer containers. Potted plants will dry out more quickly than plants in the ground, so in the hottest parts of summer, your pots will likely need water every day. If you go on vacation, you can keep your pots hydrated in a few ways. Use a watering globe, which will slowly release water into the soil, or you can add soil moist granulars to the soil. They will absorb water and slowly release moisture so that you can water less frequently. Lastly, feed your flowers every 4 to 6 weeks to encourage non-stop blooms all season long. We recommend Dr. Earth Annual Bloom. Now you're ready to go plant your own pots. For more garden tips, subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. And as always, come visit our certified plant experts in our stores at any time.